Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Review video on the top 5 best gaming PCs in 2024. Welcome, gamers. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of gaming PCs, exploring the top contenders that promise unparalleled performance and jaw-dropping visuals. Buckle up as we unveil the ultimate gaming rigs of 2024. But before we do, here's a little teaser. Did you know that some of these machines are powered by processors faster than a caffeinated cheetah? I always make video top 5 product. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The ViperTech Ghost 3.0 Liquid-Cooled PC. Buckle up, because this sleek beast is ready to take your gaming experience to the next level. Body, unboxing and first impressions. The ViperTech Ghost 3.0 arrives in a sturdy package, and as soon as you lay eyes on it, you'll notice the eye-catching RGB lighting. It's like a mini disco party inside your case. The build quality feels premium, and the transparent side panel lets you showcase those powerful internals. Performance and specs. Under the hood, we've got an AMD Ryzen 5 5600X processor, paired with an Nvidia RTX 4068 GB graphics card. With 32 GB of DDR4 3200 MHz RAM and a lightning-fast 1TB NVMe SSD, this rig is ready for anything from intense gaming sessions to video editing marathons. RGB magic. The RGB lighting system steals the show. It's not just aesthetics, it's functional too. Adjust the colors and patterns via the button on the case. Whether you're streaming, working, or just showing off to your friends, this PC will turn heads. Speed demon. Thanks to that NVMe SSD, booting up feels like teleportation. Seriously, it's up to 30 times faster than a regular hard drive. Plus, the liquid cooling system keeps temperatures in check during those marathon gaming sessions. No more sweaty palms. Built to last, ViperTech takes pride in hand-assembling each PC in the USA. They put their creations through rigorous stress tests, ensuring reliability and performance. And guess what? You get a free 1-year warranty. That's peace of mind for your gaming adventures. Conclusion. So, should you grab the ViperTech Ghost 3.0? Absolutely. Whether you're a hardcore gamer, a content creator, or just someone who appreciates a well-built machine, this PC ticks all the boxes. Number 4. The ViperTech Ghost 3.0 Liquid-Cooled PC. Buckle up, because this sleek black beast is ready to take your gaming experience to the next level. Body, powerful performance. The ViperTech Ghost 3.0 packs a punch with an AMD Ryzen 5 5600X processor, boasting 12 logical cores clocked at 4.6 GHz. Paired with an RTX 4068 GB graphics card and 32 GB of DDR4 3200 MHz RAM, this rig is a multitasking marvel. Liquid cooling magic. Say goodbye to overheating woes. The 120mm RGB liquid cooler keeps temperatures in check, allowing you to push your system to the limit without breaking a sweat. Plus, the black RGB lighting adds a touch of futuristic flair. Speedy storage. Boot up in a flash with the 1TB NVMe SSD. It's up to 30 times faster than a traditional hard drive, ensuring lightning-fast load times for your favorite games. Need more space? Easily expand with additional storage options. Versatility galore. Whether you're streaming, video editing, or diving into 4K gaming, the ViperTech Ghost 3.0 has your back. It's optimized for high FPS and can handle most games on high or ultra settings. Virtual reality? No problem. Handcrafted excellence. Each ViperTech PC is meticulously assembled by skilled hands right here in the USA. Before shipping, it undergoes rigorous stress testing to ensure top-notch performance. Plus, they've got your back with a free 1-year warranty. Conclusion: so, if you're ready to level up your gaming setup, the ViperTech Ghost 3.0 liquid-cooled PC is a worthy contender. Number 3. The Skytech Gaming Chronos Mini. Buckle up, because this little beast packs a punch. Body, powerful performance. The heart of the Chronos Mini is the AMD Ryzen 5 3600 CPU, clocked at 3.6 GHz, with a max boost of 4.2 GHz. Paired with the Nvidia RTX 3050 graphics card, this rig can handle all your favorite games without breaking a sweat. Speedy storage, say goodbye to loading screens. The 500GB NVMe SSD ensures lightning-fast boot times and game launches. It's up to 30 times faster than traditional HDDs, making your gaming experience smoother than ever. Connectivity and ports, no bloatware here. The Chronos Mini features 802.11 AC Wi-Fi for lag-free online battles. Plus, you've got 1x HDMI and 1x DisplayPort for multiple monitor setups. USB ports galore, 2.0, 3.0, and 3.2 Gen 1 mean you won't run out of slots for your periph. Cooling and aesthetics, for RGB fans, keep things frosty inside the sleek black case. Not only does it look cool, but it also ensures optimal performance during those intense gaming sessions. And did I mention the free gaming keyboard and mouse? Yep, they're included. Warranty and support. Skytech stands behind their creation with a 1-year warranty on parts and labor. Plus, lifetime free technical support means you're never alone if you run into any issues. Assembled in the USA, this PC is ready to be your trusty sidekick. Conclusion: in summary, the Skytech Gaming Chronos Mini is a compact powerhouse that delivers top-tier gaming performance. Whether you're storming the battlefield or exploring fantastical worlds, this little rig has your back. Number 2. The HP Pavilion TG01-2170m Gaming Business Desktop PC. If you're in the market for a powerful yet budget-friendly system, stick around because this one might just be your next gaming rig. Body, performance beast. The heart of this machine is the AMD Ryzen 5 5600G hexa-core processor. With a base clock of 3.9 GHz and turbo boost up to 4.4 GHz, it handles multitasking in gaming like a champ. Nvidia RTX 3060 12GB GDDR6 graphics card, you're in for a smooth gaming experience. Speed and storage. The 16GB DDR4 DIMM ensures snappy performance, while the 128GB PCIe NVMe SSD provides lightning-fast storage. Boot times? Blink and you're in Windows 10 Home. Plus, the 400W power supply keeps everything humming along. Connectivity galore. Need to plug in all your peripherals? No problem. This desktop boasts 4 USB 3.1 Gen 1 ports, 4 USB 2.0 ports, 2 HDMI outputs, and 3 display ports. There's even a USB 3.1 Type-C Gen 1 port for your high-speed devices. Sleek design. The black color scheme gives the Pavilion TG01-2170m a sleek, professional look. It won't clash with your setup, whether you're gaming or working. And with air cooling and a quiet CPU cooler, it won't sound like a jet engine either. Bonus, DockStar USB hub. As a cherry on top, HP includes the DockStorm USB hub. This special edition portable data hub offers super speedy data sync rates of up to 5 gigabits per second. Connect your peripherals, transfer files, and keep your desk clutter-free. Connect your peripherals, transfer files, and keep your desk clutter-free. Conclusion: so, is the HP Pavilion TG01-2170m worth your hard-earned cash? Absolutely. It's a versatile machine that bridges the gap between gaming and productivity. Number 1. The Alienware Aurora R16. Is this compact powerhouse worth your hard-earned cash? Let's find out. Body, efficient airflow for quieter gaming. The Aurora R16's efficient airflow design is a game-changer. Larger passageways and optimized internal cable management keep things cool and quiet during intense gaming sessions. Say goodbye to noisy fans. 12-phase voltage regulation. Power up with confidence. The 12-phase voltage regulation technology ensures that your 13th Gen Intel Core processor delivers consistent high-level performance. Whether you're conquering virtual worlds or crunching numbers, the R16 has your back. Legend 3 design, minimalist and functional. Alienware's Legend 3 design philosophy shines through in the R16. It's sleek, minimalist, and optimized for any desktop gaming setup. Say hello to a clutter-free desk and a stylish addition to your gaming rig. Total Command with Alienware Command Center. Take control of your gaming experience. The revamped Alienware Command Center software lets you fine-tune performance, customize lighting, and monitor system stats all in one place. It's like having a personal gaming engineer at your fingertips. Premium support, your gaming lifeline. Worried about tech hiccups? Don't be. With premium support, Alienware has your back day and night. From game installations to troubleshooting, consider it your secret weapon for an uninterrupted gaming journey. Conclusion: in summary, the Alienware Aurora R16 combines power, style, and support. Whether you're a seasoned gamer or a newbie, this compact desktop is ready to level up your gaming experience. I hope you found this video helpful. And if so, please leave a thumbs up, as I always appreciate that. Also, please feel free to leave a comment suggesting future videos or questions you have, as we love getting to respond to as many of those as we can. And if you sub, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Welcome to our The Review Factor family. We've got lots more videos coming your way. Till then, stay safe, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.